Ho ho!
There's no I in team, and I am just carving fusion.
Yeah, carving fusion, yep.
Heavy hounds at your service.
Carving, yeah, fusion, yep.
Look at me, Mama. I'm a pumpkin.
What'd you do today, Jordy? Oh, not much. Just carved this little wood spirit. My friend said he might try and put in some resin for a necklace for me. Different size burrs, guys. Look how small these things are. Different size burrs go a long way.
Yeah, they sure do.
Look how small that burr is, guys. That is a metalworking burr. Maybe my friend could epoxy it in a red coffin. That would look deadly. Oh, yeah. And that's it for today. Keep the new wood spirit pictures coming for the new video.